All right, y'all. So it's the fucking first day of real snow here in Seattle. Oh shit! Look at that. Yo, who's that? Yo! I was just filming. What you doing? Yeah. What's up, bro? Drew.
This is my friend Silas. How you been, man?
Bro, I'm doing good. How about you?
Good. Fucking just mobbing dick in the Subaru.
Yeah, bro.
On the wrong side. Why are these fucking cars having?
Bro, this thing sucks in the snow. I'm about to throw my winters on right now.
That thing's so sick.
Yeah. Damn, just like that. I already know this thing's great in the snow. Ah, look at this. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. So active. Yeah, you know, we about to throw on these snow tires. Time to go. These motherfuckers just slid right into that joint. So Emma and I are out whipping around. The bus is stuck, I guess. It looks like it maybe. Sorry, my fat fingers are... the bus is stuck. Oh, there's another bus that's stuck. Baby, you want to record? You're a good camera person. Where are we going to?
Jersey Mike's.
All this see at Jersey Mike's. Everybody's just trying to get some Jersey Mike's. That guy's like, he's like, hey Jim, I'm telling you, man, I'm not gonna make it. Oh my God, look at these people trying to take this Christmas tree.
Okay.
Look at the Christmas tree. Zoom in on that. Show them the Christmas tree. Why the fuck are you carrying it like that? Oh no, they actually know how they're carrying it. That's good shit though. That's a dad and a son carrying a tree. That's how I need to. That's how when I have kids, I'm gonna make them carry the Christmas tree home. What's this guy doing in the middle of the fucking? Hey, are you supposed to leave that at the front desk? Why you take that? You look what he's got in it. He's got a suitcase in it.
That's smart. You don't have to drag it in the snow.
Yeah, that's true. You gotta plow. You gotta maybe plow. Oh, and you can flip it upside down and maybe like, nah, that'd be too small. The thing you could like make it like catch snow all around it. You can make it catch snow all around it. They're open, and it would make you like a little igloo. We gotta find moldings. Never up and down, always sideways. We can make moldings and make an igloo. There's buses that are stuck like everywhere. But once every street I was looking down, there was something that was stuck. The roads are pretty bad. Not too bad. It just falls in place with the whole not stopping thing. That's why he's like, I must go. Or she's like, I must go. Just go around this chump. Just chilling. Not too bad. It says it's 28 outside, so it's pretty cold. But it doesn't feel that cold outside. Looks very pretty.
It does look so pretty.
Yeah, it looks like they're plowing. Or maybe it's an ambulance. I see people outside walking. See a tow truck and it says stay back. Stay back. That's crazy.
You want to see a break?
Yeah. That's pretty good. Hey, who put my axe here? I think I have a shovel in the truck. Whoa. The road is hella slippery. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he did that. Official superhero. Oh my God, using the shovel? Babe, look at the shovel. I'm gonna be slipping this whole way over there. I know, don't break those off. Don't break them off my car. Oh, fuck.
Just break one.
No,
Not one.
it's part of its mustache.
Can I just have one?
Yeah, you can have one, I guess. But babe, look at the shovel. Look at it.
Yeah, just hit me with it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
Look at it. Look at all the ice. Even when the handle's got ice. I'll drop it. Look.
Oh, shit. That's cool. That looks like...
That's good enough. Oh, how does that happen? Oh my god, this whole thing has water and it's all frozen. All of this was salted and done. Look at this. The ground is literally ice. Alright, I think this is the coldest the Datsun's ever been, because look at the inside. This is water that was in the inside. And it's iced. Everything in here is iced. Let's see. So you give it a little blip of the gas. You normally got to do this thing twice. Clutch down. Goes on for a sec. It normally turns off. Yeah, give it another blip. Clutch down. And then she's solid. Yeah, it's cold. Caitlin and I are just driving around. You want to film?
Sure.
There's a car accident up there. You want to get it, Caitlin? You think you got it?
Oh, jeez.
That doesn't look like it could be that bad. But luckily they didn't go through the fence. You see it?
Yeah. Yeah, I see it.
Oh, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
It was alright. It definitely caused some damage, but not a whole lot. Whoa! We're getting a little spinny. What do you think about the snow? Put it on you. Look at you yourself.
I think the snow's gonna be really fun because I'm just happy that it's back.
And that car had chains on, but
It
the
did?
chains had fallen off.
Oh.
So it happens a lot of times. If you don't have a bungee cable around it, then you're toast. Grass is grass. How does this truck do in the snow? I think your door's open. Maybe not.
I think it's really good at the snow.
Got a big old hill up here that we're trying to get up. Whoa. Sketchy hill. Oh my god, look at the bus. Jesus Christ, watch for the bus. Oh my god.
It crashed.
You filming? Are you on video?
Yeah, I'm on video.
Jesus Christ. That's no good.
Did you see that?
Yeah, it's because it's one of those bendy buses. God damn it. God damn Metro. Come on, that thing's got to move. Come on, what are you doing? Look at this guy. Show him back there. Fucking idiot. You got us stuck. Fucking idiot. Who's a ding dong? See, like here we can't stop. There ain't no stopping us. They didn't hear that. Woo! shut down that road. We almost got stuck on that road. You know, the Manny going crazy. Studded tires. Woo. Yeah, that's light work. There's another beautiful day. Where's this guy going slowing down, hella? Come on, man. Hella pretty. But the roads are icy. It looks like there's like 2 inches of ice on them. There's a little dirt bike where we go dirt biking. Wonder if we can get in there. A little swirling wet. The downshifts, we slide in this bitch. Let's see if they got it open. Nah, they got it closed. Everybody's just like, damn, that truck is really getting loose over there. But they're also like, damn, this old ass truck is like still out there, you know, we still do this shit. Better than most of these cars out here. The drum brakes lock up. Woo! See them lock up? They lock up bad. Can't be locking them up. People like these that I just be passing. It's like, what are you doing? It's like, you're fucking up the game. You're fucking up the game, man. You're fucking up the game. Pick a side. There's 2 sides, lady. There's 2 sides, lady. Can you pick a side? Please? Please? Pick a side. There's 2 sides. There's this side. And then there's a side over here, as you can obviously see. Pick a side. Any side. It passed, bitch. By a 1972 Datsun. Sorry if my fingers get in that. We got a hop right here. Oh shit, I didn't even got my seatbelt on. But I think we good. They were out, yeah, they were outside chopping it up. Good thing they did not see me. They were outside chopping it up. We Gucci. To the next one.
Have you ever heard about Yodelin Bill? Listen real close and you'll hear him trill. He yodels at breakfast, he yodels at lunch, he yodels at dinner with a punch. And when he won his wife, I have a hunch that he swept that gal away. Yodel doodle, yodel doodle, that's Yodelin Bill.
Another one, just like that. I've asked everybody on this street. Literally everybody on this street. And they were the only ones. There's only 2 people out of everybody who actually answered. That's why you just gotta go out there and start asking. Because even though it wasn't a whole lot of work, it's $100. If you made oh shit, not bad. And if you make $100 every day, that's enough to live. Noticing my license plate got. Oh shit, this whole thing got. No way, it's because of this thing. This thing must have dragged onto something. I'll have to chop that thing off. It's a ball of ice. Oh shit. It's alright, it'll bend back. How did that even happen? I must have just hit something with that and then it bent that part up. That part's like broken. Yeah, that part rusted all the way. Alright. Oops. Alright. We're on to a different block. And yeah, the main thing I feel like the key is you just got to keep knocking. I walk around with my shovel so people immediately know what I'm about. And I mean, there's snow, so it's like you just have to think about it like you're here to help these people. So if like they're not smart enough that they need help, then that's on them. But I just went to the next block. But I just walk down all the streets, see if knock on every single door. All right, just like that, the day's done. Leaving home with 120. Did a small. I just saw a green car outside, and there's no way Bo's here. Babe, I think Bo's here. I just saw his truck go by. Okay, I'll be right back. Bo! How was it, bro? I didn't even know you fucking left. I just woke up.
Oh, I texted you.
I know you. I just woke up and saw all your fucking text.
It wasn't bad.
No, not bad. Oh shit.
No.
Bo just called me saying he got stuck. As soon as he gets to shoreline. It's ice, I'm telling you. It's the ballast boy in the middle. I'll ballast you. I'd say if you can back up straight up there, then you should be able to. It's crazy, bro, because what they did on this area was before all this ice fell, he cleared all that little square, so it was clear yesterday.
Yeah.
And then last night with this fucking rain, it's all ice now. But yeah, I think if we can back up straight into there, I'll give you a little ballast though. I'll just like hop back here. I'll push it a little bit. Does it go straight back? Yeah, turn it a little. Yeah. Oh. The other way? Okay. I just don't know if you'll be able to get enough traction without the hill. But let's see. I might be able to just get you going. We're drifting. Try to go straight now. You got it. Just a little. I'm gonna go a little back, and then now we go. Well, send it, homie. Onwards, go. We're surfing. There you go. You're good. Yes.
Oh shit.
Oh no. It stings. Let's get 8 buzzing around my feet. Oh. Not smart at all. Just gotta get all my the wet stuff off. Well, that was a fun short end. I was low-key thinking, I was like, maybe we should just walk around the lake first and just enjoy walking around the lake instead of going straight to testing the lake out. And I test the lake out and I dunk my foot in it.
Next time.
Next time what?
Next time we won't do that.
Next time I won't.
And we'll listen when I say that it's not fucking frozen.
I knew it wasn't frozen. I had tested out a
So
spot.
then why would you do it?
I had put my foot on there for a second.
But I can't.
And then I started to put I was trying to put my weight back on the other foot. But I was trying to put minimal weight on it. I wasn't thinking I was gonna.
Literally right next to it wasn't frozen. What makes you think that that would be completely like?
No. It wasn't. When I was putting minimal weight, I swear to God, it was fun. It was just when I started tipping over. Like
guys,
I started tipping.
it was not frozen, literally like right next to it.
You can take away from this is that you should walk around the lake before you try to walk on it.
There's someone behind me.
What? It's the mailman. I don't know why he comes so late. But then I also forget that it's just like... Bo and I are on an adventure. Bro, it was so slippery right there. Oh my god. Good thing I didn't hit myself with the hammer. Damn, bro. Luckily I felt pretty good. Like I fell like elbows tucked in. That
was really slippery right there.
No, it was super slippery right there.
I slipped in the same place.
Yeah, literally. Almost died. Like, just look at that driveway, bro. That whole driveway is just that sheet of ice. Oh, here comes the super. Oh, they're struggling. Let's go help. Let's go help, Bo. We'll help push. You want to help?
You want us to push you?
It gets really slippery up there. I wouldn't even really attempt it.
I'm just trying to get around the corner so I can get home.
Okay, yeah, I can help push. There you go. Just a little. All it takes is a little extra oomph. I think she's got her e-brake on or some shit. How does it sound like that? Bro, look at it. Oh my god, bro, look. Bro, whoa. Oh my god. Bro, the way she started driving, I swear, where's my hammer at? Some people just don't understand how, like, when you're in the snow, you gotta turn differently. That's like a big thing. It was smart for trying to go to that side where it has traction. All right, we are in Twin Ponds. It's super dark, so you guys probably can't see us, but we'll show you guys once we get to the lake. I really wanted the moped. Yeah, dude, we driving in here? The lake is completely frozen. But as you can see, you can see somebody tried to do what I tried to do. Bro, see, if we would have came yesterday, it would have been gravy.
Look how thick that is.
That's thick.
It's almost just like an inch.
Yeah, it is, bro. Look at that. Yeah, I feel like you could walk on it. Okay, let's not do what happened yesterday, bro. Literally, that's what happened yesterday. I put my foot on it like this, and I was like, yo, let's try. If this is frozen, then I know a better spot. Careful, bro. It'll just give way. Your foot will just get soaked. Ah! Bro! Ah! Got my damn hand in the...
that shit.
I know. Let's go to the other part before we get wet. That's my favorite thing to do, is walking it on fucking lakes when they're frozen.
I haven't done it before.
Bro, it's so fun. In Massachusetts, we would literally, like, our lake would freeze a foot. A foot of it would freeze. And people would just, like, take their dirt bikes and, like, four-wheelers and shit and ride on it. I had a four-wheeler, so I would go out there with my four-wheeler.
Yeah.
It was nice because over there, it's like, you expect out of a whole month for it to be snowing. So it's like everybody just has, like, snowmobiles and ATVs and shit. But there's also hella places out there to go and fucking throw hella frozen. It's cool to see the pockets. You'll see like air pockets in the water. But there's also hella places over there to like. It's kind of super rare. There's hella places over there to like ride like even in the summer. Like trails that are just for like dirt bikes. This is the ultimate smoke spot right here. It's hella like, it's got hella roof. Bro, see, bro, imagine the king of the day. Look at this.
Here.
Let me try. Not quite there. It's not the best spot. The best spot is all the way in here. Yeah, you want to give that a little tap-tap-a-roo? Surprisingly how hard it is. Bro, we can go fishing.
Big fish.
Fishing in the lake. Imagine being in Louisiana and then seeing like the gators' heads that are all frozen on top. Look, let me see. I'm gonna break this piece of wood out. Oh, and slide in. Don't wanna slide in there. Almost. Get out of here, you mother. Bro, imagine this being you, and they're trying to get you out of here. Like, bro! No! Oh, shit. Let's see if I can grab it. Okay. Okay. Woo! Thank you, Bob. You don't want to throw it?
Got far?
Yeah.
Got kind of close.
Show it kind of close. Yeah, let's go get it. For real. Now we should cut up here. Bro, I've heard if you break... Whoa, Bo!
I put all my weight on it for a second.
Bro, that's scary. Bro, we'll break a piece of ice. And then we'll yeet it onto there. Because I heard it's hella fun to do that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, the big piece of ice. Big lake.
I can't find a rock.
Yeah, for real.
Ooh, I'll try to look for a rock.
Okay. Oh, fuck, I just got myself wet. See, why don't you just do this? Stop fucking moping around and go break some ice. Yo. Okay, I'm coming. Almost fell into the bayou. Oh! Ah! Is your foot good?
Yeah, it's all good. Waterproof.